Hello learners. Today we are starting a new course of Complete CSS. In this tutorial we will learn Introduction to CSS, CSS Syntax and various types of ways of writing CSS. Also I would request you all to please subscribe to this channel so that you must not miss any update regarding any new video. I would also ask you to access this playlist with link in the description box. Let's start the tutorial. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is the language we use to style and beautify a web page. Here it is shown how we write comments in the CSS. CSS selectors are used to select HTML elements you want to style. There are 5 types of CSS selectors: simple selectors, combinator selector, pseudo-class selector, pseudo-elements selector, attribute selectors. We will learn about all these selectors one by one in the upcoming videos. The CSS syntax contains a selector and a declaration block. Peak color, red. Here with the above syntax we are styling paragraph tag in the HTML file with red color. Here P paragraph is the selector, color is the property and red is the property value. There are 3 ways of inserting a style sheet: external CSS, internal CSS, inline CSS. When CSS is written in a separate file and imported in HTML, then it is called external CSS. Basically, we write external CSS for more than one HTML file. We write all the CSS content in separate file and import it by writing below line in head tag. Link rel equals stylesheet ref equals file link. The external style sheet is saved with .css extension. Let's see a quick look on how we write CSS. First, if you have not installed Live Preview feature, go to the extension and type Live Preview. Click on the first option and install it. This feature helps you to see live update on what changes you make in your file. This is the live preview option which helps you see changes within the Visual Studio Code. Now we are writing a separate CSS file style.css for the index.html. As we will import the link line inside the head element of our HTML file, you will be able to see the changes in the HTML file. Thus, it is said that HTML is the skeleton of your web page. CSS is the beauty of your web page and JavaScript, which we will learn in upcoming videos, is the brain of our web page. This is the way we write external CSS for our website. Let's add a paragraph element and give some style using CSS. An internal CSS is written in the HTML file itself within style tags inside head element of HTML. An internal CSS is basically written for one single HTML file. Let's see a quick demonstration of how we import internal CSS in our HTML file. We will just copy the previous written CSS and paste it inside the style tags inside head element. An inline style may be used to apply a unique style for a single element. Inline CSS is given to an HTML element using style attribute. For example, h1 style equals color, blue. This is a heading /h1. P style equals color, red, font weight, bold. This is a line /p. Let's see a quick demonstration of how we write inline CSS. This was all in this video. Like and share this video. Subscribe this channel and leave your suggestions in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.